Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how to connect your YouTube account or your YouTube channel with your account on Discord. For example, if you'd like to promote your own YouTube channel in your Discord community or on a server or through your own profile on Discord, it's actually super simple, guys. So let us guide you through this and show you how it's done in practice. So what you want to do is launch Discord, of course, either on laptop or on your PC. Log into your account, and here on your home feed or home screen, simply click on that gear icon in the bottom left corner to access your user settings. After that, select connections from that menu here to the left, and here you see a list of external applications you may connect to your Discord account, like Blue Sky or Reddit or Steam or X or eBay and so on and so forth. So to find YouTube, simply click on that arrow to the right icon here, view more, and select YouTube here. Now in the following, your web browser will redirect you to the login page here on Google. So select the YouTube or Google account you would like to sign in. On the next page, confirm that. And after that, Discord will ask for permission to connect your account with your YouTube channel. So if you're 100% sure to do that, confirm that. And after that, your both accounts, your YouTube account or channel, as well as your Discord account will be linked. And that's basically it. That's how you do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and I'll see you later on our channel.